Qingdao Henglin Industrial Group Co., Ltd. Fixed assets of 235 million RMB, about 126,000 square meters company area. There are 320 employees, among them 36 professional and technical personnel with professor-level senior engineers, and engineers. The enterprise has been rated as National High-Tech Enterprise, National Credit 3A Enterprise, China Foundry Industry Leading Enterprise, Shandong SRDI Specialized Refinement Differential Innovation Enterprise, Qingdao SRDI Enterprise, Shandong Reliable and Credible Enterprise, Qingdao Reliable and Credible Enterprise. The enterprise has been rated as the advanced enterprise of Shandong equipment manufacturing industry for many consecutive years. The company has been obtained Qingdao Foundry Machinery and Shot Blasting Process Technology Expert Workstation and Manufacturing Technology Innovation Center.
Qu Xianjun,
the chairman of the company, has been awarded the Excellent Entrepreneur, Integrity Manager, Integrity Entrepreneur of Shandong Equipment Manufacturing Industry, and Qingdao Entrepreneur Leader for many consecutive years. The group company is located in the West Coast New Economic Area of Qingdao, Huangdao District, which is the 9th National New Economic Area approved by the government, with 4 subsidiaries respectively. Qingdao Henglin Riku Intelligent Equipment Co., Ltd., Qingdao Henglin Industrial Holding Group Environmental Protection Technology Co., Ltd., Qingdao Henglin Industrial Group Co., Ltd. Ulian Branch, Shandong Zhuang Machinery Technology Co., Ltd. Main products: automatic green sand molding line, vacuum process molding line, lost foam casting line, automatic resin sand molding line, automatic coated sand molding line, automatic iron mold coated sand casting line, horizontal flaskless automatic sand molding line, vertical flaskless automatic sand molding line, sand molding machine, core shooting machine, fully automatic pouring machine, shot blasting and cleaning equipment, dust collecting equipment, grinding robot, mold. Among them, Tumble Belt Continuous Pass-Through Shot Blasting Machine was rated as the first domestic market share and advanced level. Fully automatic molten steel heating and insulation pouring machine reached the domestic advanced level. Horizontal and vertical flaskless automatic molding equipment reached the international advanced level. Some products won the Excellent New Product Award, Scientific and Technological Innovation Award of Shandong Equipment Manufacturing Industry. The chief engineer of the company has been in charge of the National Key Project, the high-efficiency shot blasting cleaning line, sand conditioning and molding line, designed and developed many first set of products in the industry. In more than 20 years of professional theory and practical experience of non-standard equipment, along with Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, and other information technology to realize foundry equipment automation, intelligent green manufacturing. Products have passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, owned more than 100 national invention patents, invention and utility model patents, national computer software copyrights, establishment of Intelligent Equipment Research and Development Center in cooperation with Harbin Institute of Technology, establishment of the first Institute of Foundry Machinery in cooperation with School of Materials Science and Engineering Shandong University. The first domestic institute of foundry machinery is jointly established by Qingdao Henglin Group and School of Materials Science and Engineering. Shandong University settled in the West Coast New Economic Area, developing and researching the world-class advanced foundry technology and products. Located in the New Economic District, Qingdao Henglin Group is a private enterprise. In recent years, the company has taken the supply-side structural reform as the main line to accelerate the enterprise technology and product innovation. In the fierce competitive foundry machinery industry, turn the crisis into an opportunity to achieve rapid development. The equipment is manufactured for Taiwan East Asia Foundry Company, which mainly produced the submarine optical fiber cable equipment that accounts for 80% of the world market share. In addition to advanced technology as support, there is a variety of precision instruments and machining equipment as a guarantee. Steel surface shot blasting equipment. All raw material has been processed with shot blasting and rust removal treatment to enhance film adhesion and improve the service life of the equipment. The large plasma cutting equipment for cutting of wearing resistant plate and other special plate. The large-scale laser cutting equipment with high efficiency, high performance, and high precision to improve the accuracy to the millimeter standard. With high-quality welding robots and a number of senior welding technicians, all welding products are tested by flaw detection. All products have quality files to realize lifelong responsibility system to ensure product quality. With all kinds of automatic, multifunction CNC machining, mold processing and other machining equipment, precision machining of parts with multiple procedures to ensure the product's precision, to ensure the product's excellence. The company can customize the product technology according to the customer's requirement to provide pre-planning, process layout, manufacturing, technology upgrading, etc., one-stop service. To realize product visualization, digitization, intelligent operation, and to realize remote diagnosis, service, and integrate with the customer's MES control software, strive to build the first domestic foundry machine superstore and a well-known brand in the foundry industry chain. In order to achieve 100% customer satisfaction, we keep moving forward. At present, the company has rapidly grown into a new type of modern enterprise and has developed into a chain group company. Our products are not only in various industries in China, but also exported to hundreds of countries and regions in the world. Quality is the eternal pursuit of Henglin people. There are many offices in China and overseas. Our products have been widely used in aerospace, weapons, and military industry, high-speed railway and automobile industry, shipbuilding and metallurgy, etc. Well recognized by domestic and foreign customers. National, provincial, and municipal leaders have visited the company many times. Foundry Association, domestic well-known entrepreneurs, and other relevant leaders have communicated with the chairman of the company for many times, given full affirmation and support. The output value has been increasing step by step for many years. Qingdao Henglin Industrial Group will take integrity, pragmatism, innovation, win-win as the enterprise purpose, market-oriented, the pursuit of excellence, people-oriented, serve of society as the enterprise concept, learning in the market, growing in learning, strive to offer the high-end technology, assured products, thoughtful service, wholeheartedly cooperate with you, win-win.